Tired of template-based custom products? We build from your vision, your structure, your play, your packaging. From concept to production-ready reality. Share your idea, we refine it into a clear, manufacturable plan. We don't just make samples, we engineer products that scale. A true OEM partner. Turning ideas into tangible, batch-ready goods. Certified and authorized, EN 71, a STM, BSCI, and Disney-authorized manufacturer. Direct factory production with in-house engineering, sampling and QC. One frame, endless possibilities. Puzzles, games, narratives. Your art, our engineering. Together we create market-ready products. Structural design turns ordinary into extraordinary. Ready for global delivery. On time, worldwide. Concept, proposal, quote, production, delivery. Share your idea. Receive a tailored plan and quote.